Watch this before signing up for any online sewing or pattern cutting class. Now, I've attended a fair few pattern cutting and sewing classes in person and online, and one thing I can say is I can get the benefits from either. One huge benefit for an online class is that you're going to be able to learn from a teacher that might never have been in your geographical area before, someone on the other side of the globe who you might even admire and look up to, that you're able to get the opportunity to learn from. Second thing is the community. You're going to meet people you'd never ordinarily have met if you'd gone down to learn at your local college. So that's a huge benefit for learning online. Now, before you book, have a look at the tutor. See if you like their style, see if you like their voice. How do they explain things? Does it go in there? Does it stick in your mind? Have a look at their Instagram or their YouTube, or some courses even give you a little introductory taster so you can see what it's like. Will the course fit your lifestyle? We're all busy, but some courses maybe you have to do homework by a certain time. Will you fall behind? Is that going to be a concern for you? Don't discount the course out of hand. Call up the tutor and express your concerns. There's often a way around these things. What do you want to get out of it? What is your goal? Do you know what you want to learn? Without this, you'll never know what curriculum is good for you. Some curriculums are broad and cover things that you didn't even want to learn, and other things are more narrow and things you feel you've already done. Don't discount either one. Sometimes you need a refresher for things you think you know, and sometimes things you think you didn't know, you do. If in doubt, before you sign on the dotted line, again, contact the course administrator and see what their thoughts are. Cost. Now, this course may be of such value to you, but you don't have the full lump sum right now. What you can do is some course providers have a kind of a layaway scheme where you can pay in instalments to cover the costs. So that's something you can always take advantage of. Reviews and testimonials. Somebody has probably done this course before you. See what they say. Are the things they took away from the course the things that you want to take away from the course? That can sometimes be a deciding factor for you. Now, how is the course administered? That is something you have to think about. And in relation to your lifestyle, the course might be for a year only, maybe. Or the course could be month to month on a rolling basis and you carry on as long as you like. Or the course could be paid once in its lifetime. Find out what is easier for you. I mean, if you're particularly busy, a fixed time course might be challenging for you to complete within the time scale. However, normally you still have all the notes and the course materials to review after the end. So to get the most out of the course, you're going to have to participate. If there's a live component and you can see each other on Zoom, if you can, turn on your camera, let people see what you look like, see each other, interact, comment on each other's work, encourage each other, ask questions publicly so everybody else can get the benefit of the answer. Sometimes with an online course, what you put in is what you're going to get out. If you're really introverted and don't want to interact with people, that's your right and you can do so. But in my opinion, as an introvert myself, you will miss out on a lot if you do that. So, what have I missed? What else do you consider before you sign up for an online crafting course? And of course, if what I have said here resonated with you or gave you food for thought, let me know. I like your comments and your feedback. And if you love what I did, well, like, comment, subscribe. I like all of those. So until next time, let me know what course you signed up for and what your goals are. And I hope you have a great time. Lifelong learning is the thing.